I'm here with Alex in an annex, and I was just going to ask you, Alex, what's the situation with the booking a date? If somebody says, yeah, we love it, we want to go ahead, how do they move forward?
So they will get a confirmation email from the person that they're dealing with. So that will confirm the door positions, windows, lights, electric, bathroom. So everything's confirmed upon this email to the layout of the studio that they want. And then we'll offer them a date to install. As you know, we can install really quickly, and we can have dates available really quickly. It's a bit Amazon Prime that I'm trying to do. Because if you're of a certain age, you want it done quickly, don't you? You don't want to wait.
I think the thing is, whenever you buy anything, when you finally commit to a purchase, you want it tomorrow.
No, I do. I get everything off Amazon Prime. But yeah, so once that date is confirmed, which could be, in 2 weeks' time, if that was something that somebody wanted, we can rearrange our schedule. Or it could be, the average, I'd say, is 5 to 6 week wait from confirming. And you will pay £1,000 deposit, which is a small deposit, but we found it helps people decide, because we've got to make a big commitment to block out that big date on our schedule.
Yeah.
We can fit an annex in 3.
But it is only £1,000, so on a 70 grand purchase.
Yeah.
When do they pay after that?
Then they pay just when the first day of the studio install. So
on an annex, that's not when Tom and Costin
No,
arrive.
it's after Tom.
With the groundwork. They do the groundworks.
Yeah.
And then the studio arrives on a big lorry.
Yeah, it arrives on an 18-ton lorry with a fork truck on the back. Everything's taken off, put down in the garden, and then the guys will go to town on fitting it. Remember, we fit these in 3 days, 4 days.
Yeah.
We have done it in 2. So you will
but it's your Karen that contacts them.
Yeah, my wife Karen.
For payment, and it's normally 10 grand a day.
Yeah, that's what banks generally let people pay, 10 grand a day, So, it's not unusual for it to take 7 days for it to be paid.
Yeah.
And it's very unusual that an annex takes us 7 days to build. So
so it gets built quicker than the customer pays.
yeah.
Right. Okay. Now that's very reassuring, because the £1,000 is a tiny deposit on a 70
huge
grand purchase. So.
Yeah, but we just want customers to feel relaxed
and reassured.
We're confident. That's people that used to say to me, "You need to take a big deposit." I said, "Well, I want paid. I don't want a big deposit. I'd give you all the money back if we don't meet your needs. I'll give you your £1,000 back."
Yeah.
So
great. Okay then. Thank you for that.